So to fix this problem, first of all, go to Google Play Store, tap on search, tap on search application and searching for IG. Tap on it and make sure you have the latest update. So if you see update over here, just tap on it, but if you see open, just leave it like that and go back and search in for 111 VPN. So when you type in 111 VPN, try to download or install it on your device. If you don't have it, you have to install it on your device. So after downloading it, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu, scroll down below, and you're going to see Instagram. So tap on it for some while. Now tap on app info. Then after that, what you have to do is to tap over here on this full stop. Now tap on OK. Now tap on the storage and cache. Tap on clear storage, but before you tap over here, make sure you know your Instagram logins. Then after that, tap on OK. So after tapping on OK, what you have to do is to go to your phone and just tap on the VPN app. Now you have to accept this. So now tap OK. So now tap on the disconnected, and as you can see, connecting, checking connection. So connected. What you have to do is to go to your Instagram app again. Now you are going to see the DM over here. So this is Instagram DM. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends.